Ever dreamt of owning a wild animal as a pet? Imagine having a tiny hedgehog scurrying around your living room or a bearded dragon basking on your windowsill. In this video, we're going to take a walk on the wild side and count down 10 wild creatures that you could actually have as pets. From the adorable to the exotic, each animal comes with its unique charm and challenges. So buckle up and prepare for a fascinating journey into the world of wild pets. Let's dive into this wild adventure, shall we? Starting our list at number 10, we have the adorable hedgehogs. These little critters with their charming spiky exteriors are more than just cute faces. They're nocturnal creatures, which means they're most active during the night. Taking care of a hedgehog requires some special attention. They need a varied diet, ranging from insects to fruits and vegetables. Their exercise needs are also unique. A running wheel in their habitat will keep them happy and healthy. Now, before you rush out to get one, it's important to note that owning a hedgehog is not legal everywhere. In some places, you'll need a permit. So, do your research before bringing home one of these spiky companions. Hedgehogs are known for their curious and explorative nature. They can be a bit shy at first, but with patience and gentle handling, they'll soon warm up to you. So, if you're up for handling a spiky friend, hedgehogs might be for you. At number 9, we find the unique and charming bearded dragons. These reptiles, native to Australia, are named for the scales under their throats that puff up, resembling a beard when they're threatened or excited. Bearded dragons are known for their docile nature and ease of care, making them a popular choice among reptile enthusiasts. Their diet is varied, consisting of both insects and vegetables. They also require a warm environment, with a basking spot that reaches up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The legal aspects of owning a bearded dragon vary by location, so always ensure to check your local laws before bringing one home. Some states require a permit, while others have no restrictions at all. Bearded dragons are fascinating creatures. With their spiky skin, triangular heads, and expressive eyes, they're the closest thing you'll get to owning a miniature dragon. A pet that's truly dragon-like, wouldn't you say? Sliding in at number 8 are the sweet and swift sugar gliders. These small marsupials, native to Australia, are named for their love of sweet foods and their unique ability to glide through the air. They're nocturnal creatures, with large, dark eyes adapted to night vision and a skin membrane that extends from their wrist to their ankle, allowing them to glide from tree to tree. Sugar gliders are social animals, often living in large groups in the wild. As pets, they need plenty of interaction and enrichment to keep them happy. Specialized diets and spacious cages with places to climb and hide are also essential for their well-being. Before you fall in love with their adorable faces, do remember that owning a sugar glider is not legal everywhere. Always check your local laws and regulations. They also require a serious commitment, as they can live up to 15 years in captivity. If you're after a pet that can glide, sugar gliders are the perfect choice. At number 7, we have the cute and curious fennec foxes. These adorable creatures, with their oversized ears, are native to the Sahara Desert and are perfectly adapted to life in the scorching heat. Their large ears not only help them hear prey from far away, but also dissipate heat to keep them cool. Despite their wild origins, fennec foxes can be kept as pets, and they exhibit playful dog-like behaviors that make them a joy to have around. However, caring for a fennec fox requires some special considerations. They need plenty of room to play and explore, and they're natural diggers, so a secure outdoor enclosure is a must. They also require a diet rich in meat, fruits, and vegetables. Before you decide to bring a fennec fox into your home, be sure to check your local laws. In some states, keeping fennec foxes as pets is illegal. A pet that's both fox-like and friendly, what could be better? Crawling in at number 6, we have the intriguing tarantulas. These 8-legged creatures are a marvel to behold, boasting a range of colors, sizes, and patterns, each species unique in its own right. Now, before you flinch, remember that tarantulas are more afraid of you than you are of them. Their docile nature makes them a fascinating, albeit unconventional, pet choice. Tarantulas require very specific care. Their habitat should mimic their natural environment, usually a warm, dry setup with plenty of hiding spots. They feed on insects and occasionally small rodents, so a steady supply of live food is essential. Before you rush out to get a tarantula, it's essential to check the legality in your area. In some states, it's perfectly legal to own a tarantula, while others require a permit. And in some places, it's a complete no-go. If you don't mind creepy crawlies, tarantulas could be your ideal pet. At number 5, we have the elegant and exotic serval cats. These African wildcats are known for their tall, slender bodies, large ears, and striking spotted coats that make them a sight to behold. They're no ordinary felines, that's for sure. Taking care of a serval cat can be quite an adventure. They require a diet of raw meat, a spacious environment to roam, and plenty of mental stimulation. They're active cats with a strong hunting instinct, so they love interactive toys and puzzles. However, owning a serval cat isn't as simple as walking into a pet store. In some places, it's illegal to own one without a special permit. They're considered exotic pets, so make sure to check your local laws and consult with a vet experienced in exotic animals before bringing one home. Who wouldn't want a cat that's as unique as a serval? Hopping in at number 4 are the friendly and fascinating capybaras. Native to South America, capybaras are the world's largest rodents, weighing up to 140 pounds. Despite their size, they're known for their docile nature and sociability, often seen lounging around in groups in the wild. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals, so they'll need plenty of water to swim in. They also require a diet rich in fresh, fibrous vegetation and a spacious environment to roam and play. One important thing to note is that the legality of owning a capybara varies from state to state. In some places, you'll need a special exotic animal permit, while in others, it's entirely prohibited. Capybaras can live up to 10 years in captivity, and they can be quite the charming companions. They're gentle, inquisitive, and they even get along well with other animals. If you love rodents, there's no bigger pet choice than a capybara. Jumping in at number 3, we have the playful and precious wallabies. A member of the kangaroo family, wallabies are smaller, more manageable in size, yet they retain the distinctive charm of their larger cousins. With their soft fur, large ears, and powerful hind legs, they are a sight to behold. Now, if you're considering bringing a wallaby into your home, there are a few things you need to know. Wallabies require a large, secure outdoor space where they can hop around freely. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, but they also enjoy a treat of fruits and vegetables. When it comes to legal considerations, it's important to check your local and state laws, as some places require permits to keep wallabies, while others may prohibit them entirely. So if you're looking for a pet that's a bit out of the ordinary, a wallaby might just be the perfect fit for you. A pet that's like a small kangaroo, how cool is that? At number 2, we find the misunderstood and mellow skunks. Known for their distinctive black and white coloration and their notorious scent, skunks are much more than meets the nose. They are intelligent, curious, and surprisingly affectionate creatures. When domesticated, skunks are usually descented and can be as playful and engaging as a cat or a dog. Caring for a skunk requires a commitment to provide a balanced diet and plenty of exercise. They are omnivores, so their meals should include fruits, vegetables, and protein sources like chicken or turkey. Skunks are also nocturnal, so they're most active during the night. Legalities of owning a skunk vary widely. In some states, it's perfectly legal to own a skunk with the right permits, while in others, it's strictly prohibited. So it's crucial to check your local regulations before bringing one of these creatures into your home. If you can handle their scent, skunks can make surprisingly great pets. And finally, at number 1, we have the intelligent and interactive chimpanzees. These charismatic creatures are known for their remarkable cognitive abilities, closely mirroring human intelligence. They can learn sign language, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Quite the smarty pants, wouldn't you agree? But owning a chimpanzee isn't a walk in the park. They require a lot of care and attention. As they grow, they become stronger and more assertive, making them a real handful. They need a large, secure space to play and exercise, along with a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and high-quality primate pellets. Legally, owning a chimpanzee as a pet varies from state to state in the US. Some states ban it outright, while others require permits. And remember, these are wild animals. They're not meant to be confined to a home environment. A pet that's almost human, chimpanzees top our list. To recap our wild journey, we've encountered hedgehogs, bearded dragons, sugar gliders, fennec foxes, tarantulas, serval cats, capybaras, wallabies, skunks, and even chimpanzees. Each one unique and fascinating, but remember, owning a wild animal is a significant responsibility. It's crucial to research thoroughly and understand the needs of these animals before bringing them into your home. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this wild adventure. Stay wild.